Introducing the Duress Eagle. The future of body-worn cameras is here. Advanced safety that's simple to use. Duress Eagle brings safety and communication to your team every day. Live stream emergencies with real-time viewing and intelligent walkie-talkie. Connect in real-time via 4G across other Eagle devices. Eagle provides a safety experience like no other. 24/7 emergency monitoring. Activate emergency to stream live video, audio, and location from your Eagle in real time. Your emergency is viewed by the Duress A1 graded 24/7 Operations Center, as well as viewed by other Eagles in your team. External contacts can be notified via SMS. Our operators keep everyone in the loop with real-time status updates, keeping everyone in the loop of what's happening. Team Assist. Click Team Assist to send a request for assistance to your team. They will get an alert with your live location. Team Assist notifications can also be sent to your nominated contacts via SMS, which also includes the live location and phone number of the device. Duress Comms. The most advanced communication system ever designed is now available on Eagle. Talk to a user or talk to a group, simply say the name of the recipient in the message and it will be delivered to them in seconds. Indoor and outdoor location. The Duress Eagle provides indoor and outdoor locations. When outside, Eagle uses the latest GPS technology to provide its location. When indoors, the GPS signal may be weak or unavailable. To solve this, we use optional internal beacons mapped to a location. Accuracy can be down to 5 meters. The higher the number of beacons, the more accurate the location. The beacons are battery powered or will last 5 years on a set of AA batteries. Built for teams. Personalized response. Give each Eagle a name to easily know who has which device and provide better assistance. Eagle Sharing Dock. The Eagle Sharing Dock allows users to share devices using sign-in and sign-out. And a lot more. IP68 Duress products are made to withstand any environment with our IP68 rated devices designed to withstand dust, dirt, and submersion, ensuring reliable performance no matter the conditions. 7-day battery. Eagle can last up to 1 week, giving your team reliable safety any time of day. Place Eagle on the charging pad for 3 hours to fully charge the battery for another week. Swappable battery. We include a spare battery. If you are running low, simply swap in the included second battery without powering down the device. This gives your team 2 weeks of battery between charges. Auto upload. As soon as you enter a known Wi-Fi network, Eagle automatically uploads all video to the secure Duress cloud, ensuring all evidence is available and secure at all times. For more information, call 1-300-599-540 or visit simply-unified.com.au/Duress. Thanks for watching.